What if you could fire your boss and still collect a $100,000 paycheck every single year without working a 9-to-5? Sounds like a fantasy, right? But here's the kicker. This isn't about winning the lottery or gambling on crypto. It's about using 3 powerful dividend ETFs and a strategy that turns your investments into monthly income strong enough to replace your salary. And today, I'm breaking it all down, step by step. In this video, we're diving into 3 dividend ETFs that can do the heavy lifting for your portfolio, building real sustainable income. But here's where it gets exciting. I'll walk you through 4 game plans to hit that $100,000 annual income goal, whether you're in your 20s with time on your side or you need results fast. And yes, there's even a strategy that only takes $50 a week to get there. Let's break it all down. Before we jump into the picks, let's talk about how we chose these ETFs, because not all dividend ETFs are built to replace a $100,000 salary. First, we look for strong dividend yield, of course. Our cutoff was anything over 3%. The yield needs to be high enough to realistically reach that 6-figure income. Second, we focused on dividend growth. A high yield today means nothing if the payouts shrink tomorrow. We want rising income, not a trap that looks good on paper, but keeps cutting checks year after year. And third, capital appreciation. Dividends are great, but we're also here to grow wealth. That's why we're skipping those flashy covered call ETFs. They may pay big now, but they limit your upside in the long run. We're thinking long-term, 10, 20, even 30 years from now, and that means choosing ETFs that grow and pay. This isn't about chasing thrills. It's about building a paycheck that never stops. So let's start strong with the first ETF on our list, the Dividend King, SCHD. This first ETF, it's what I call a dividend machine, and it earns that title every year. SCHD is laser-focused on high-quality U.S. companies with a proven track record of paying and growing their dividends. But it's not just chasing high yields. SCHD screens its holdings using real fundamentals, return on equity, dividend history, and cash flow strength. In other words, you're not just getting payouts, you're getting companies that deserve to pay you. Inside the fund, it's all blue chip royalty. Coca-Cola, the dividend icon in your fridge. Cisco Systems, a tech giant pumping out cash for decades. Amgen, a biotech powerhouse with deep reserves and defensive muscle. These aren't just payers, they're performers. And the numbers? 3.98% dividend yield, already elite. 16.67% annual dividend growth. That's the kind of compounding that turns passive income into a wealth-building engine. Plus, SCHD's share price has grown 7.01% annually. Proof it's not just a paycheck, it's a growth machine. Put it all together, and SCHD becomes a triple threat: strong income, explosive dividend growth, and capital appreciation. For long-term investors, this one's a no-brainer. But SCHD's just the start, because ETF number 2, it cranks the income dial even higher. RDIV. Next up is RDIV, and it plays a different game than most dividend ETFs. Instead of just chasing the biggest yields, RDIV starts by ranking companies based on revenue, then picks the top 60 with the highest dividend yields, excluding REITs. Translation: you're getting high yielders with real sales power behind them. Let's look inside. Altria, a cash flow beast in the tobacco space. Valero Energy, a heavyweight in oil refining. Seagate Technology, bringing in tech exposure with consistent payouts. Each one's a dividend workhorse with the numbers to prove it. RDIV currently yields 4.09%, already a step above SCHD. And it's not just a one-trick pony. The dividend's been growing at 10.01% per year, which is rare for high-yield funds. Sure, capital appreciation is lower at 4.62%, but the income plus growth combo still builds serious long-term wealth. Bottom line, RDIV gives you high income today and dependable growth for tomorrow. And now, buckle up, because the final ETF, it's the missing piece that takes this whole strategy to the next level. NUDV. Now, here's the wild card you didn't see coming. NUDV, the NUDV ESG Dividend ETF. It might not have the name recognition of SCHD or RDIV, but it quietly delivers the highest dividend yield of the three, a juicy 5.70%. That alone earns it a spot on this list. But here's the twist. NUDV pulls this off while staying laser-focused on ESG principles. Only companies meeting high environmental, social, and governance standards make the cut, positioning this fund for long-term sustainability as demand grows for responsible investing. So what's under the hood? Verizon, the telecom giant with rock-solid payouts. Dow Inc., bringing in material sector strength. And International Paper, a reliable name riding the boom in packaging and paper demand. Now sure, it's the newest ETF on the list, and yes, its capital appreciation is the lowest, around 3.43% per year. But paired with its 5.7% yield and a 4.26% dividend growth rate, NUDV becomes a powerful short-term income booster with long-term ESG potential. So now you've seen all three pieces of the puzzle. Up next, let's build the strategy that gets you to that $100,000 paycheck. To replace a $100,000 salary, you'll need about $8,333 a month in reliable dividend income. That's our baseline target. Now, getting there depends on two things: time and starting capital. Let's start with time. If you're younger, you've got decades for your money to compound, so you don't need to start huge. But if you're older, you'll need to accelerate the plan with more upfront investment. Next, your starting capital. Whether you've got a lump sum from savings, a bonus, or even an inheritance, or you're building slowly with weekly contributions, the strategy changes. The good news, there's a plan for every starting point. So let's walk through all four. Option 1. 30 years plus investment upfront. This one's perfect if you're in your late 20s or early 30s. You've got time on your side and a bit of savings to kick things off. Here's the game plan. We go 50% into SCHD for long-term growth and 25% each into RDIV and NUDV for that early income boost. Now let's say you start with $60,000 and never add another dollar. By year 5, you're earning around $4,200 in dividends per year, and your portfolio's grown to nearly $98,000. By year 20, you're pocketing $26,000 in annual income, with a portfolio nearing $500,000. And by year 30, you're pulling in over $102,000 a year in dividends alone, and your total portfolio hits a whopping $1.57 million, all from a $60,000 head start and a little patience. Option 2. 30 years plus no investment up front. Strategy number 2 is for the younger investor with zero savings today, but plenty of time to let compounding do the heavy lifting. We're sticking with the same trio: SCHD 50%, RDIV 25%, and NUDV 25%, built for long-term growth and steady income. But this time, you're not starting with a lump sum, you're just investing $50 a week, around $2,600 a year. Here's what that looks like. After 5 years, your portfolio hits $47,000, and you're earning about $1,800 annually in dividends. Not life-changing yet, but the snowball is rolling. By year 20, it's serious. $27,000 in annual income, and your portfolio's worth $487,000. And by year 30, you've built a $1.67 million portfolio, paying out over $109,000 per year. That's $9,100 a month, fully replacing a $100,000 salary. So why does this strategy work? It's the power of time and dividend reinvestment. Even without a lump sum, your weekly $50 snowballs, slow at first, then faster as dividends start earning more dividends. And with SCHD at the core, delivering strong growth and rising income, your portfolio doesn't just grow, it accelerates. Strategy 2 proves something simple but powerful. You don't need to be rich to get rich. You just need time, consistency, and the discipline to stay the course. Option 3. 10 years plus investment up front. This strategy requires one bold move. Let's say you're 50 years old and ready to walk away from the 9 to 5 by 60. No more meetings, no more bosses. just pure passive income. If you've built up savings or assets, now's the time to make them work. Since the goal is fast income, we flip the portfolio. 50% into NUDV for that 5.70% yield, with SCHD and RDIV at 25% each to balance growth and stability. This plan takes a $770,000 upfront investment, a big move, yes, but one that could be realistic for someone with a paid-off home, retirement savings, or an inheritance. By year 5, you're earning $58,000 a year in dividends, and your portfolio has grown to $1.2 million. By year 10, it hits almost $2 million, and you're pulling in $101,000 annually. That's full income replacement and total freedom in just a decade. And if you don't have that kind of capital up front, don't worry, Plan B is coming next, and it might even be more achievable than you think. Option 4. 10 years plus no investment up front. Let's say you're 50 years old with no major savings, but you're ready to hustle. You don't want to grind until 70, you want out in 10 years. It's possible, but you'll need to build your own passive income machine starting now. We tilt the portfolio heavily toward income, 50% NUDV with 25% each in SCHD and RDIV. Why? With only 10 years to grow, yield matters more than growth, and NUDV's 5.70% yield gives us that edge. Now, let's talk numbers. If you consistently invest $900 per week, about $46,800 a year, here's what happens. By year 5, your portfolio hits $856,000, and you're earning around $32,000 a year in dividends. That's nearly $2,700 a month. But by year 10, the dream becomes real. Your portfolio grows to $2.26 million, and you're pulling in $103,000 a year in dividends. That's over $8,600 a month, pure passive income. So yes, it takes discipline, but with zero savings, just steady investing and the right mix, you can go from nothing to full financial freedom in a decade. This is how you build your way out, one weekly contribution at a time. And there you have it, 4 clear strategies to replace a $100,000 salary using nothing but dividend income. Whether you're starting small or going all in, the formula stays the same. Time, consistency, and the right ETFs. Pick your plan, stick to it, and let your money do the hard work while you take back your freedom. Still hungry for more dividend power? Tap the video on your screen and let's level up your portfolio one strategy at a time.